Flagellopantopus is a Devonian sea spider, known from the Hunsrück slate of Germany. It had a body plan similar to typical sea spiders, except with the addition of a long tail. The purpose of this tail is unknown, but well-preserved specimens indicate that it was more than twice the length of its main body.